Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about SAP BTP. In SAP BTP, where we can run, how it will be work on it. So SAP BTP runs on cloud systems. So we should know about the cloud and what is the meaning of cloud computing. We are given only one statement: the cloud computing delivery on demand IT resources over the internet services. So by using the internet, we can run an SAP BTP who is providing cloud services. Now most of the cloud services provided by SAP, Azure and Alibaba, something Amazon, like this. They are Google also, they are providing cloud services. So these are providing cloud services, and many more companies also providing cloud services. So how cloud services it will be work, just we can give the brief introduction about this. Just you can see what type of cloud services providing on premises. This is what you are using your computer and on premises. Now we are coming to infrastructure as a services and platform as a service, software as a service. When you are coming to infrastructure as a service and platform as a service and also software as a services, these three will you provide and cloud computing. That on premises is you are creating your own network and you are maintaining by servers, you are installed by operating system, and also you are installed by database. Everything you have to install and you have to maintain everything. So you have to create security also. Then coming to cloud computing, infrastructure as a service means they can provide networks, storage, servers and virtualization they can provide. Now you have to maintain that, and the virtualization you have to install operating system, and you have to install middleware, and you have to install runtime environment, and also you have to maintain database. After that you have to install your what are you are using your application. You have to install that application and run you can your application. In coming to platform as a service, they can provide up to runtime environment, means network, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, which type of operating system you have to use, they can provide that type of operating systems, and middleware, runtime environment they can provide from these also. And you have to install your database and your applications. And instead of that, you will get more services from platform as a services, means they can give the ready-made platform for you. You can run your application and you can run your business as an PAS by using PAS. Nowadays they can provide who is providing cloud computers. They can provide what are your application also they can provide, means everything ready made they can provide, means network, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime environment, and database, and which application you are using, means SAP and Oracle, like these applications, Microsoft Azure, sorry, Microsoft, PeopleSoft, which are applications are running available in global market. That all application they can provide. So which application you want to utilize this, you can directly open on that application. You have to work and you can grow your business by using software as a service. Now just see application, data, runtime environment, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, network. Just see what is your blue color you have to maintain, and yellow color they can provide the service managements. They can provide who's providing services they can provide. So look about this, and you have the one idea about cloud computing. In cloud computing, we have the four type of cloud development models: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. These four type of community cloud providers we have. Now we are going to discuss about public cloud. Public cloud. The entire computing infrastructure is located at the premises of the CSP, that office cloud services, that the internet. This is the most economical options those who was individual organizations that not to visit any IT infrastructures in a public cloud environment. Now private clouds. It's individual organizations that choose the private clouds gets deducted infrastructure that is not shared to any other individual organizations. That is a private cloud. And hybrid cloud. In hybrid cloud, both the private and public environment including this hybrid cloud. Most of the organization using hybrid cloud. Okay, now community cloud is community infrastructure set by the users the same industry. Means, for example, we have the IT industry. When a company is using the same services, thus what are the infrastructure use other company also same the infrastructure